open the hood, that you can do over here. Over here you need to push like this, and then we can place that. And if we want to replace from this standing position the left headlight, the MK4 bulb, also pull this to the right, that one to the left, and then you can take this part away. Also over here, pull away the connector. So the wiring is disconnected now. This one works still, but I always replace them both at the same time. You can see the left one, the Osram thread, is worn, and that's the low beam, and the high beam is the one on the right side, and that's in new condition because you do not use it a lot. So we will replace this also. So the new bulb, do not touch the glass with your bare fingers. Slide it in like so, and then that part behind that piece of iron, and then push it like that. And then we need to place this on again, pull it to the right side, this to the left, and that's how you replace the MK4 bulb on the left side from this standing position. This headlight is from Tyke, so it's a little bit different like the genuine one. The genuine one was from Vallejo, but I've replaced it because this one, this glass, this plastic was very filthy, but you can do it like that. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.